Uno, all wild. How to play. The rules are the same as regular Uno except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Every card is a wild and can be played on any other card. At the beginning of the game, if a wild action card is the first card flipped, ignore that action. Reverse, skip, and draw 2 do the same thing as in regular Uno, but are attached to wild cards. A skip 2 card skips the next 2 players. A targeted draw 2 card allows you to pick any player to draw 2 cards, but that player does not lose their next turn. A forced swap card forces you to trade your hand with any other player. You must still say Uno if you trade with someone who only has 1 card. Instead of playing a card, you may draw a card. Then you may play the card you drew if you want to. If you choose not to, then you end your turn without playing anything. At the end of the game, each normal wild card is worth 20 points, and each wild action card is worth 50 points.